In my mid-30s, it's fun to recall the years when I was younger. That was me in my mid-30s. It's fun getting older. When we are young, we all look like a robust flower. But these days, I'm now 69. And this is me when I was in my mid 30s. I was 34 here, I guess. 34 or 35. I'm not very sure. I forget exactly. What year was this? Either 34, I was 34, or I was 35. And these days, I'm now 69. I just turned 69 last December 2025. And this photo is 90, maybe in the 1990s. Yeah, 1990s. I guess this is 1994 or 1995. Ha ha ha. The year goes so fast, and we get older and older and older. And now at age 69, there's the other photo of me. I think this is 1995. There it says in here in my photo, but I think this is 1995. When I was still younger. Now I'm 69. A year is so fast to go. Everyone gets older. We all get old. Those were the years when I was young. Fun though. Getting old is fun. I guess, 35 here or 34. I just take care of my health to stay strong. I do my exercise every morning and eat more veggies and fruits to stay stronger and younger. Like I said, I'm a colon cancer survivor. So I always take care of my food to stay healthy. So I can see always my grandchildren every day. But my three other grandchildren are in Canada. But the other three here are with me, the sons of my eldest daughter. So they all live with me in my house, in my simple house. At my retiring year is okay. Like I said, I'm a colon cancer survivor, so I always have to take care of my health to live longer with my family. It's so much fun being with them, even just to see them every day. I help my daughter with the household chores because I don't want to have a helper anymore. My grandchildren are already big. They're at the grade school and high school, so it's okay that we don't have a house helper here in our house. I can still do the household chores, so it's okay. Back to my other photo. That's long time ago. It's so much fun. That is me in my, I was, I guess, 34 or 35 year. Oh my gosh, I cannot remember exactly what year is this. Anyway, see you in the other next video. Bye guys.